What's up, guys? Metal Thrashing Buddy here, and here I'm doing a review on Earthquaker Devices Dispatch Master. Now, this pedal is my go-to, always have it on pedal. It's fantastic. So, quick rundown of what it is it's a reverb and delay like combo pedal. And I was recommended this at my local music shop because I'm not a huge, crazy space sound guy, and I'm not a huge effects guy typically. And over the past year or so, I started to get way more into pedals and effects, and think this is a really good transition into that when you're getting interested in reverb and delay. Especially for my playing, I don't want to, like I said, put a ton of crazy space and crazy effects on all of my guitar playing, but I do want that just enough that you would hear on like a lead guitar part in any classic metal album, just a little bit, nothing wild and like proggy or anything, and this pedal does the job so good. So enough talking, I'm going to dive into it. Everything here set at midnight. You have a mix, a time, a reverb, and repeats. It's a super straightforward pedal. So without further ado, let's click it on. Right there with all the settings just at 12 o'clock. Sounds super good. I mean, in my opinion, not too much, not too little. Just right out of the box, good to go. So, if we turn the mix up here, let's put that at like 3 o'clock. Back to 12. Okay, there we go. Let's turn time to 3 o'clock as well. There we go. Now it's getting kind of fun. Let's see how spacey we can get. Let's turn everything, reverb, everything set at about the 3 o'clock setting. So you can get this pretty crazy. A lot of Earthquaker Devices pedals, I feel like, can get really crazy, especially like the Rainbow Machine a friend of mine got. I'm not even sure what to do with that. He hooks it up to a keyboard, so this, I feel like, for Earthquaker Devices stuff is very mellow. It can be as mellow as you want it to be, or as drastic as you want it to be. Let's max everything out. Space. That's really cool. Not typically my bag, but if you are a crazy effects player, that is about as crazy as it gets. Typically, I mean, lately I've been running it at just 12 o'clock on all the settings. And it sounds great for, just everyday leads. Let's see, the reverb up a little bit. I had everything kind of pointing at each other for a while, and I really liked the sound of that. I think with other delay pedals, you can get a lot better time control and a lot better variations of how fast you want your repeats, how fast you want everything to, like, you know, echo out. But like I said, if you're just going to be using this for a little bit of like sugar, let's say on top of lead parts, this is a great pedal. Leave it on all the time. It sounds great in your mix. It really does. Let's turn everything down all the way, as low as it can go. Nothing. My Boss chorus pedal, if you turn it all the way down, you still get a nice little something of a chorus effect. So this one's straightforward. If it's turned all the way down, duh, you're not getting anything. I like that. Let's just crank up repeats and time. The other two are at noon. So you can kind of see this pedal kind of goes from very tasteful to very spacey, and that's how I felt with the Rainbow Machine 2 by Earthquaker Devices. But I'm looking into getting a lot more Earthquaker Devices stuff. They're really well made. My 1-year-old has pulled on this pedal while it's been down on my board, and I mean, he's clicked it on and off, messed with it because he likes the little blue LED. It's held up very, very good. Super highly recommend this pedal if you just want a touch of reverb and delay. You can knock it out both in one pedal, and it's not just this crazy overly dedicated to one purpose pedal. Like I said, it does get a little bit on the spacey side, but you keep everything at about like midnight or less, and I think it's super tasteful. And there we have it. Earthquaker Devices Dispatch Master. Highly recommend it. Give me a like and subscribe. Let's talk pedals more. Let's be awkward on YouTube together and mess around with guitar gear. Thanks, everybody.